Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the acid-base titration. And acid-base titration is a quantitative analysis of acid and bases by which the known concentration of an acid or base, that is titrant, neutralize the unknown concentration of an acid or base, that is titrant. It is based on the neutralization reaction between acid and base that form the water by combination of hydronium ions, therefore known as the water forming reaction. HA acids in the presence of H2 is converted into the hydronium ion, and the hydronium ion is the presence of hydroxide ion converted into H2. The estimation of an alkyne solution by using a standard acidic solution is known as the acidimetry, and the estimation of an acidic solution by using a standard alkaline solution is known as the alkalimetry. The titration progress can be monitored by the visual indicators, that is pH, electrode, or both. Next is the type of titration and neutralization curve. The mechanism of neutralization can be understood by studying the change in hydrogen ion concentration during the course of appropriate titration. The equivalence point of an acid-base reaction, the point at which the amount of acid and base are just sufficient to cause complete neutralization. The pH of the solution at equivalence point is dependent on the strength of the acids and the strength of base used in the titration. For the strong acid, strong base titration, pH is equal to 7 at the equivalence point, and the weak acid, strong base titration, pH is increased 7 at equivalence point. From the strong acid, weak base titration, pH is less than the 7 at equivalence point. The neutralization curve can be categorized into the 4 classes, which I list below. Titration of strong acids with a strong base, and second is the titration of a weak acid with strong base. Third is the titration of strong acid with a weak base, and fourth is the titration of a weak base with the weak acid. In today's class, I discuss about some type of the titration and the neutralization curve. Thank you for watching.